Hi everybody, Stephen Aitchison here, and thank you for checking out this monthly membership program. Okay, I want to show you what the monthly membership program, what it's all about. Basically, you're going to get two things. You're going to get a call from me at least 3 or 4 times per week. So every week I'll make 3 or 4 calls, at least 3 or 4 calls every single week, and I'm going to go in and show you exactly how it's done. You also get to join our Telegram group. If you've never joined Telegram, it's really easy. It's just a simple kind of software download if you haven't downloaded it already, or you can be online as well and check it there, and you just join a group of people who are really into cryptocurrency, but they're into trading as well. They're into long-term kind of holds as well. They're really into the cryptocurrency, and it's none of this everybody kind of slagging each other off and just kind of saying when is this going to moon, when is that going to moon. It doesn't happen in this group. So it's a brilliant bunch of people. We've got about 170 people in there already, and they're active traders and active in the cryptocurrency community as well, and we give news in there of our kind of cryptocurrencies as well. But first of all, I'm going to show you an updated one. I'm going to show you the calls I've made from September 2018 right up into December 2018, near the end of December. So I want to show you that just now, and I'm going to jump over and show you this at the moment and show you the calls that I've made and how I make the calls as well. Okay, so this is the calls I've made in September. You can see here in September, in total, I made 62 calls, and these are all on Binance. So we stick with Binance because everybody knows Binance, everybody knows how to get on it. It's a relatively secure exchange, although we don't kind of suggest you hold all your projects and tokens on the exchange. Take them off if you're going to hold them long term. But for active trading, Binance is brilliant for keeping your tokens on their platform. So you can see here in September, the average gain was 15.7%. Remember, this is in a bear market. We're in a bear market just now, and the average gain was 15.7%. So you can see here, the top gain was Trig at 68%. This is all within 7 days. So whenever I make the call, I've only got 7 days for that to go up, and I close that call down. So once I've closed it down, you can either stay in it or you can get out of it, or you can just keep it. It's up to yourself what you do. I just make the calls, you decide when to get out, and I'll show you in a second how that's done. But Trig up 68%, GXS up 62%, CDT up 50%. There's a lot of calls there that way above double-digit figures. And we'll see there is about 35 calls in double-digit figures. So the average gain, 15.7%. So let's look at October. October's the same. We made 37 calls, and this is in a down market, if you remember. And the more the down market, there's less calls to be made. So Bitcoin is going down big time, and this is when it started going down big time. We still made an 11.09% gain overall. An average gain. You can see here BAT went up 62%, SALT up 60%, BCD up 28%, Data up 24%, Encash up 18%. So there's a lot of calls in double-digit figures. Again, obviously smaller calls as well made there that didn't go up that much within the 7 days, but the average gain was 11.9%, 11.09%. November has been the worst one. You can see there's hardly any calls. There's only 19 calls made in November. Again, that's because of the extreme down market, and Bitcoin was going down big time, but still a lot of gains to be made. The average gain was still 7.14%. Of all the calls I made, the average gain was 7.14%. AST being the highest at 46%, XLM up 11%, and the others are small kind of figures. But you would not have lost a lot of money at all in this market compared to had you just stayed in the market and hodled. You could have been down at least 30, 40, 50% if we look at the kind of Bitcoin price from then. December, this is so far. December so far, we've made 22 calls in December. We've not finished December yet, so I'm updating these videos all the time for you. So you can see here the average gain so far in December is 10.38%. And there's a couple there, IOST in 20%, NXS up 18.31%. We've got WTC up 13%, EOS up 33%, Sky up 35%, Fun up 12.61%. And some of these might still be in play by the time you watch this video. So these are still in play just now, and this is the kind of calls I make, and I'll show you how I make them as well. So when you join the premium group, you're going to get to join a group like this, or a premium announcement group like this, and I'll announce kind of coins for you that I think are going to go up. So today is the 19th of December. I've called MFT on the 19th of December, and I've called the price at 83 Satoshi. It's already gone up to about 85, so it's made a couple of percent already, but expected to go up further. The same with Fun as well, called that yesterday at 111 Satoshi, already gone up to 124, so it's in double digit figures. Dent we've called, so I'll make these calls here, and you get to join a premium group as well. And this is a premium group. We've got 170 members there already, and so you get to join this group as well. And these are a brilliant bunch of people. It's relatively quiet because of the Christmas period, but still busy-ish. So this is the group you'll get to join as well. So that's it. That's how you get the calls, and that's how you join the group as well on Telegram, and you can join a group on Facebook as well, but we're much more active in a Telegram group. I definitely encourage you to get into the Telegram group first and foremost, and we'll make the calls like this, and I'll give you an updated sheet like this as well. This is a Google Doc sheet, so you'll be able to see that at any time you want, and you'll be able to see all the updates from that as well. So I hope to see you in the premium group. It'd be brilliant if you could join us over there, and we'll see you then. As I said, I've got 100% record, 100% record in November, October and September. So a full quarter, there's 100% record there. Yep, there are some that have just got 0.87% increase, which is not that much at all, but that's only few and far between. The rest are usually in double digits or high, close to high double digits there as well. So hope to see you in there. Just hit the button down below if you want to join us. Only $37 per month, or you can write to me if you want to pay in Bitcoin. You can write to me as well on Telegram, or you can write to me at crypto@yourdigitalformula.com and ask any questions there, and you can pay for the lifetime access if you want as well, but obviously that's going to be a little bit more for you as well. So I would encourage you to pay the $37 per month via PayPal or via your credit card, and keep getting these calls every single day. Hope to see you on the inside. Until next time, namaste, take care, bye now.